Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a web banner mockup using Photoshop. I'm using this image as our background to create a stunning, realistic mockup. You can download the image to follow along. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. First, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and draw a rectangle. Set the stroke to none and choose any color for the fill. This will act as a placeholder for our design. Select the rectangle layer, right-click on it, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Rename the Smart Object layer to Place Design here. Reduce the layer's opacity to help you match it perfectly with the image. With the layer still selected, press Ctrl+T to enter free transform mode. Right-click inside the transform box and choose Distort. Now carefully align the corners of the smart object to match the perspective of the web banner in the background image. Zoom in to fine-tune the placement. Once you're satisfied with the positioning, hit Enter to apply the transform and reset the opacity back to 100%. Let's now add the actual design. Double-click on the smart object to open it. Go to File, Place Embedded. Choose your web banner design. And click OK. Once placed, save and close the Smart Object window. The design will now appear perfectly on the image. To enhance realism, let's add a Levels Adjustment layer. Add a Levels layer above the Smart Object. Then click on the Clip Mask icon to clip it to the Smart Object. Move the middle slider slightly to the right to darken the tones and enhance contrast. When satisfied, close the Properties panel. And that's it. Your web banner mockup is ready. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more design videos. Thanks for watching.